Hey everyone, I'm back. So I really just wanted to do this video just to give you an update on everything. I am not dead. As you can see, I'm still alive, although some days I felt like I was gonna die. But hey, I am just getting over COVID, and man, it's wiped me out. As you can tell in my voice, I'm still getting over it. Yeah, so this video is not about likes or views or anything, but I wanted to let each and every one of you know how much I appreciate all the get well wishes, all the messages, all of the positive vibes you guys have been sending my way, and I deeply appreciate each and every one of you guys. Whether you're a member of my Patreon, whether you watch the videos, whether you don't watch the videos, you click on the channel and you dislike it, whatever. Thank each and every one of you guys. As you can see, I have been working. I got Magneto on the workbench right now, and I promise you here in the next few days, we're gonna have a video on this guy. I got some pretty cool tricks and stuff like that I can show you that maybe you can use on your next model. And at the same time, I've been reading all of your comments and suggestions because this is your channel. Whatever you guys want to see, keep them coming. Keep the comments and suggestions coming on all my social media platforms because I read each and every single one of them. And again, I want to make sure that I'm putting out top-notch quality content for you guys. We got a lot of stuff coming up in 2023. A lot of the builds that I need to finish, like the Hulk versus Hulkbuster, Venom Carnage diorama, the Colossus Juggernaut diorama, the Prey diorama, and so many more others, and other cool stuff that's going to be coming out in 2023 as far as tutorials. And also, I want to thank each and every one of you for 10,000 subscribers. Oh my God, it's amazing. What an achievement. I never thought that I would have over 10,000 people subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much. Actually, I think we're a little over 10,200 right now. So keep them going, guys. Share the videos, all this other stuff. And I promise you we'll be up full force running here very soon. Just trying to get over this COVID issue. If you know about COVID, man, you know I can just kick your ass. You know what I'm saying? I promise you 2023 is going to be our year. I hope each and every one of you have a good, prosperous new year ahead of you. And again, thank you so much for the support. And I do appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Thank each and every one of you. And with that said, everybody, stay safe out there. Get out, create something. Print, prep, paint, repeat. And we'll see you very, very soon. Bye now.